Are you recording? Are you recording? You're gonna get it? What? Is that good? That's a cord. It's a cord for the camera. It doesn't taste very good. Say hi. Say hi. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get your hand. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Got him. Alright. Gonna crawl down on the floor. Stop eating the cord. There we go. Here, baby, sit down. You don't want to go down? You don't. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. You gonna stand up? Use your arms up. Oh, good boy. Good job, Lucas. Look at you. You're such a big boy standing up. Yeah, you touch the wooden arms? And these are soft. This is soft. And this is hard. See? Soft and soft. Soft and hard. Yeah. Yeah. That's so nice. What are you doing? There you go. There you go. You're not gonna. Yeah. Yeah. You gonna stand up again? What a big boy! What a big boy you are! Wow. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Did you just eat lots of Num-Nums? Did you just eat lots of Num-Nums? Yeah, I think you did. I think you did. You gonna get the string? Are you gonna try to get it? You have to come over here. Oh, you're so tall. Oh, you're so tall. Nope. And now you're on the ground. Brum. 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 Look at that car. Let's make it drive. Okay, come over here and get it. Come get it. You're going to try to walk? Do not walk while your mom's not here. Good boy. Good boy. Look at you pushing it so well. Right into your other toy. Yeah. Uh-oh. Flip it back over.